That's like a wow.
We could go swimming.
Look at the palm tree that's down.
She's a movie star getting pictures taken like this.
Look at the water now, James. Look.
She should keep showing her ass every time her skirt blows up.
What's the purpose of her sitting
He's
there
taking,
and
because
getting
her
all
boyfriend's
that?
taking a picture of her. Like she thinks she's doing a glamour shot. She's gonna be on the cover of Vogue. Oh, I swear to God, if she gets drenched, I'm putting this on YouTube.
This is so weird. Oh, look, there's actually she's
She's gonna get it in a minute.
Oh, I can't wait.
Oh my
come
God!
on. Give me a direct
She
hit.
needs to sit on that bench
I want a
there.
direct hit and knock her backwards. I'll put it right on YouTube.
Oh my God!
Get the restaurant closed party tonight. Ooh.
Yes, get a little closer.
Woody's restaurant is
Get a little
underwater over
closer,
there,
come on.
basically.
Let's see her get knocked over.
Oh, let's see that. Oh!
All the sand gets in her titties.
Look at the sand in here, Jane.
Look at the shells.
If she
and
gets sand in her clam, she's gonna make a pearl.
Look!
Her Gucci. I've heard of a Gucci.
It'll go on our Gucci mama.
Her Jenny.
Oh my God.
Oh
good one.
It's getting worse! Oh my God!
What if the tide's
She's just
coming in?
maybe he wants her to just float away.
Yeah, that's funny. We solved the problem.
God, this is funny. Oh God!
It was his suggestion. Hey, it'd be really cool if we went out there and you sat right by the surf and took some pictures.
Really.
It's coming.
He's probably got life insurance on her.
It's coming.
This is video footage. He didn't kill her. It was an act of God.
Imagine that's probably Sheikh Penny boat. She said he coming Friday.
Yes!
Oh my God! Yes! Oh my God! He's probably put it on Facebook.
I got it on video right now. I got it.
Oh my God!
She's got salty titties.
Look at that! Look, I captured it.
She got saved in here fly.
Oh, I can't wait to show this to Debbie. Tell her to show Mom.
Man, I want all this stuff out.
Yes, she's had enough.
Ooh, look over there. My God, by the restaurant.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
I guess one good hit was enough for her. She's bailing out now.